Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Navien tankless water heater no hot water, burner, flow sensor and thermostat fix. Fix 1 is check the power supply. Make sure the water heater is plugged in securely, then check that the circuit breaker has not tripped. Confirm the display is on and there are no power issue. Restart the unit if needed. Second one is make sure the gas supply is on. Verify the gas shut-off valve is fully open, then check if other gas appliances are working. If using propane, make sure the tank is not empty. Restart the heater after restoring the gas supply. Third one is reset the water heater. Press the reset button on the front control panel, then wait a few minutes for the unit to restart. Turn on a hot water bucket and check if hot water returns. Fourth one is check the burner operation. Turn on a hot water tap, then listen for the burner ignition. If the burner does not ignite, reset the unit once. If it still won't ignite, the burner or ignition system may need service. Fifth one is clean the water inlet filter. Turn off the water heater, then shut off the water supply. Remove the inlet filter, then rinse away dirt and debris. Reinstall the filter and turn the water back on. Thanks for watching.